Hi, my name is Boknan and my Facebook name is Rebecca Boknan, a high schooler, and currently I'm attending Teacher Ivy's Foundation course Batch 5. So today I'm going to talk about something I own which is very important to me. It is a guitar that I got inherited from my uncle about 2 years ago, but it was originally my grandfather's. It's called a Telecaster, which is one of the types of electric guitar. So electric guitars are basically smaller than a normal acoustic guitar, so it is much more convenient to carry around. And the difference between them is that the Telecaster is very easy for tuning and has a reputation for attracting many players. Regardless of not particularly interested in guitars, I got fascinated by it at the first time I got it. It is an all-black guitar, and despite being used for some years, it still look neat and still look playable. And later, I somehow managed to learn how to play it, and it kind of unexpectedly became my big enthusiasm. Like, I would spend my leisure time and any spare time I had on the guitar for the first few months, and whenever I play it, I feel kind of happy. Yeah, I kind of have a positive feelings and minds. But well, of course, there are some times I got mad. Like, for example, I can't play the chords with the right sounds, and it's kind of frustrating, yeah. Throughout my life, having a guitar is such a blessing because I wouldn't know how to kill my time if I wouldn't have it. So, to conclude, I still have the guitar with me, and I think it kind of holds 2/3 of my importance in my life. Yeah, thank you.
Hi, my name is Siang Mai, and my Facebook name is Mary, and I'm a university student, and currently I'm taking Teacher Ivy's IELTS Foundation course, Batch 5. So today I'm gonna talk about an interesting city which I know and like. So the city is called Toronto. It's located in Canada, which is my dream country. Toronto is the main capital of Ontario, and it's also the major city in Canada. So I haven't been there yet, but I'll go there someday. In order to get there, of course, we need to take plane, and it may take like 19 hours or more to get there here from Myanmar. So why I found it really interesting is one of the reasons is because of its low crime rates. Like, the crime cases are rarely happens in Toronto, and it's known for being one of the safest cities in the world. And moreover, it has varieties of foods in all kinds of cuisines and many exciting activities in a big city. And it also has a unique environments, healthy neighborhoods, like people from there are friendly, active, and kind. That's what I heard. So it's really blissful to live there. And the most interesting part is universities, because I've always wanted to attend the institutions or college in Canada. And all universities are equally outstanding, and they're known for being very competitive. I personally like the Max the Mod College of Art, Animation and Designs because I'm more into arts. So I'm thinking of applying there, but I'm still contemplating about it. And there are also many main attractions like CN Tower, Royal Museums, and many art galleries, and many other things. But if you go there, you shouldn't miss CN Tower because it's the most popular and most visited attraction. So if I go there, I would be living in dorms since I'll be applying university, and I would go to many unique different places, and I would try many kinds of foods. I think I wouldn't pass a day doing all kinds of activities as much as I can. So in conclusion, Toronto is really unique city, and it's worth visiting once in a lifetime.
Hi everyone, I am Jaleen. I am a student from IELTS Foundation class by Teacher Ivy. I am here to answer a question for speaking competition. We've got 5 questions, but we have to choose one. So I will let you number 1, which is what is the most important invention before the electric computer? Well, as we all know, there have been many innovations before the computer came about, but I would like to talk about one invention that's been playing a significant role in our society, which is the light bulb, invented by well-known scientist Thomas Edison in the 18th century, I guess. Yeah. As in his experiment, the metal filament connected with a battery produced the incandescent light in a evacuated glass bulb. Yeah, but right now, nowadays we are using the modern light bulbs like LED or even solar powered light bulb. And when I come to talk about the disadvantages of light bulb, I can never think of any of them because it has a huge impact in our society. For example, we don't have to rely on the sunlight anymore. We can do whatever we want to do without having the worried about not being able to see. And plus, it has increased revenues in business around the world because people started to work at night or until even until midnight um, after the light bulb was invented. On top of that, the scientists might not have created any devices like mobile phone or TV or even computers, which are playing pivotal roles in our community or in our daily life. For me personally, I'm terrified of ghosts like everybody does, and it helps me overcome my fear of dark rooms and dark places. And right now, I can easily access wherever I want to be, I want to go, just by turning on the light. So that's it. I'm saying the library as an important innovation because it was one of the most significant technological events in human life, I think. Thank you so much.